Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Steam profile picture. It's really simple and easy. So step number one is you have to launch the Steam. Now we have to click on our profile in the top right corner. Then we are going to select view my profile. Now when you are here, click on edit profile here and select the avatar column. In this section, you can choose to select any of the pre-selected avatars which are supplied by Steam, or we can alternatively choose to upload one of our own. And that's kind of the point of this video. However, there is one thing to keep in mind, and that is that your profile picture needs to be square and at least 184 by 184 in size, meaning that you can choose your profile picture to be square, for example 200 by 200, 600 by 600, or even 3000 by 3000 or 4000 by 4000. And then the most important thing is that every image, even of the size 4000 by 4000, will be scaled down to just 184 by 184. So it doesn't really matter what size you pick as long as it's square. And after you have chosen your avatar, your profile picture, whatever you want to call it, make sure to hit the save button so you don't forget to save the changes. And that's pretty much it. That's how to change your Steam profile picture. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.